First, we need to log into our VPS using SSH as the root user. So let's open the terminal. If you don't have a VPS yet, you can get one from Hostinger. You can get 20% off if you use the link in the description. Now type SSH root at and then enter your VPS IP address. It will ask for the password. Let me enter my password. Okay, now we are logged into our VPS. So let's install OpenClaw. You can find this exact command on the OpenClaw official website. I will also leave the link in the description. Now it's time to set up OpenClaw. You can select options using the arrow keys and press enter. Next, we need to connect OpenClaw to a large language model. This is because OpenClaw is an AI agent. It needs a brain to work, and that brain is a large language model. Right now we can use the Gemini API for free, so I'm going to choose Google as the model provider. We can get the API key from Google AI Studio. You just need a Google account. You can find the API key in the Get API Key tab on the left side. Let's copy the API key and paste it into OpenClaw. Now we can select our Gemini model. I think in the free version we can only use Gemini 2.5 models and the Gemini 3 preview model. So I'm going to select the Gemini 3 preview model. Now we can set up our Telegram bot. This will allow us to talk to OpenClaw using our Telegram app. To create a Telegram bot, open the Telegram app and search for Botfather. Open the profile and click Start or Open App. Now you will see the option Create New Bot. You can enter any name you want for your bot, but when you create the username, it must always end with _bot. Okay, now we have our bot token. We can copy that token and directly paste it here. After that, you will see several other options we can configure. We can also add skills to our OpenClaw, but don't worry, we can change everything later. So I am going to use the minimal configuration settings. Once it is done, we can open OpenClaw in the terminal. Yes, OpenClaw is running now. We can talk to OpenClaw directly in the terminal if we want, but since we already configured Telegram, I will talk to it using Telegram. For the first time, we need to complete one more verification. You need to copy the last line of the message and paste it into your VPS terminal. You can exit from OpenClaw using Ctrl+C. Okay, we have successfully approved it. Now we can talk to our OpenClaw using Telegram. Let me try a prompt. Tell me about VPS performance. Now let's try something more interesting. I am going to ask it to create a sample web page and host it on the VPS. Our API limit has been reached, but don't worry. We can change the Gemini model to Gemini 2.5 so we can continue using it. You can simply type /models in Telegram to change the model, but I will do it from the VPS terminal so I can show you how to change the configuration anytime. So I am going to type OpenClaw on board and press enter. Now you can see that we can reconfigure OpenClaw. Our previous configuration is already saved here. We can update the values anytime. For example, you can change your API key when you reach the free limit. Okay, now our OpenClaw is back online. Let's say hello again. As you can see, it has already created a sample web page and provided the link. Let's open it. Yes, it created the website exactly as we asked. You can use this setup as a 24/7 AI system. In the next video, I will show you how to run OpenClaw with multiple AI agents. This way, it can work like a full software company. You can simply say, create an e-commerce platform for me, and it will start building it for you. So don't miss that video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.